Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Google Meet. So let's get started. First, open the Google Meet app on your device or go to meet.google.com in your browser. Over here, you'll see two options: join a meeting or start a new meeting. To join, click on Join a Meeting and enter the meeting code or paste the link you received. Then click Join Now. After that, if you want to start your own meeting, click on New Meeting. Over here, copy the meeting link and share it with others. Then click Join Now to begin. Then, inside the meeting, you can use the audio and video controls at the bottom to mute or unmute your mic and turn your camera on or off. Over here, click Share Screen if you want to show a window or tab to everyone. After that, you can also use the chat feature to send messages to participants without interrupting the call. Then check the participants list to see who has joined and whether their mic or camera is on. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next